Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Cinnamoroll ghost. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw two curves going out and up. And now top to the sides and add the eyes. Let's start with two angles. And then underneath, a curved rectangle shape. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's start drawing the shape of the body. Let's hop on top and let's draw a curve for the top of the head. Now on both sides, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve going down. Now underneath the right side, let's bring it down and then curve it out at the bottom. And then curve it back in slightly at the end. Now top back over to the left and let's continue it by curving it down and bring it over to the tail. And that's it for the bottom part of the body. Now let's move back up and let's draw the ears. From the top of the head, let's draw a wavy line out and down like this. And the same on the other side. Then let's curve it back in underneath. And that's it for the shape of the body. Lastly, let's move in and let's draw the arms. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out to the left and bring it back up. Then on the left, let's draw an angle up and continue it on the right side. And then a wavy line down and over underneath. And then on the right, let's draw two curves going outwards. And that's it for Cinnamoroll Ghost. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!